channel. Lifetime journeys. Oh my God. Are you okay?
So guys, here's the challenge. Ilan bang hilaw na pusit ang pwedeng kainin ni nomadic scientist? At ilang hilaw na pusit ang makakain ni Lifetime Journey? Sanay po kami sa hilaw, guys. So let's see.
So the challenge is that this is a competition. This is a contest between Lifetime Journey and myself, nomadic scientist. So we have to eat as many as we can. Raw squid.
Okay, let's start with the small ones, friend.
Okay, first guys, we need to prepare the sauce.
You have your own.
This is calamansi.
This is my sauce.
We call it calamansi. This is a very typical Filipino sauce. We're gonna squeeze this one like this. This is very rich in vitamins, minerals.
Alright, let the competition start.
The sauce is ready.
So let's start with one pussy.
I got the bigger pusit, guy.
We did
Bigger
it.
squid.
Smaller sa top.
Okay.
Kaya sila unfair ang challenge. Smaller naman.
Okay, so we start with the smaller squid.
One. Ay, hindi pa pala. Ay,
Mapaki-ano nga ng konti yung ano, yung pakibaba ng konti yung...
Direct. Palihog ko direct.
Yan.
Alright. Ready? Let's start with one squid.
Very good, guy. So good.
Ika-camera kita na kinakain mo. Yung ano, yung sabong-sabong.
Lifetime Journey, what's going on?
Yes, one.
Two.
Isusubo mo. Lifetime Journey.
Guys, this one. So good. This is a blessing from heaven.
Guys, parang hindi ko kaya. Dalawa pa lang sa akin. Ilan na sa'yo?
Naubos
Pagkainin
na.
natin yung
Apat
pusit.
na.
Asan na yung marami pa? Gusto niyo yung... Oo, kahit ano. Gusto yung pala. Oo, yan. Kumakain ka rin ng kalati niya.
Kaya yan.
Masarap nga, oh.
Kayang kayo minum ka, no? Lalo wala eh.
May sausawan. Ayun na. Saan na din yung pusit?
Hindi makunat.
Medyo makunat siya.
It's really good, guys. This is the best squid I've ever had here in Texas.
Guys, parang hindi ko yata kaya ang challenge na to. It's still my fourth one. You have... How many do you have now?
I have 8.
8. I still have 4.
9. Are you okay, Lifetime Journey? This is gonna be a journey. Hey guys, this is Nomadic Scientist and welcome to my channel. Lifetime Journey. Oh my God. Are you okay?
No more, no more. You win. Kaya na lang, wala.
Okay guys, let's go to the bigger ones.
Oh my God.
Guys, may nanalo na po. Naubos po niya ang squid. 4 lang po sa akin. 35 po sa kanya.
35
Congratulations!
Thank you so much, Lifetime Journey. Hoping for the next challenge with you.
Yes, guys. Wait for our next challenge. Bye!
Oh, tanggap yung screen mo sa may kid.